Hello everyone, or whoever's watching. Today is September 27th, 12:57 p.m. I'm going to Metamora Hadley Rec Area Foot Trail. I've made it to the trail. We need to walk. We're going. Honestly, I came out here for my Pikmin game, but I don't have any service out here, so it's gonna be fun to just get a little walk in, maybe find some place to draw. I brought my backpack, so I got a lot of stuff planned that I can play around with, I guess. And we'll see what cool things there are to find. Oh, this would be a nice rock to sit down on, or not a rock, log. Sit down and draw on. You know, I think I might. I do have this book, Becoming Earth, in my bag. I will be reading this on my way, on my path. I do have my sketchbook in here too. There's some zombies that I've drawn. Some Pikmin. Let's continue on the trail. Hello, little guy. We got a caterpillar over here. I used to make videos all the time, and I found my camera again when we were rummaging through old things in the house. So I'm deciding to pick it back up again. It's such a beautiful day out. 80 degrees on the dot. What a perfect temperature. This is my first vlog type situation, and it's just nice to go out in the woods and see what nature has to offer. I'm looking to see if I can find any acorn toppers. Oh, there's an acorn. What tops? Here's one. Here's a better one. What the heck is that? That's cool. Now this is a sitting log. Oh my goodness. There you are. Hello, Mr. Squirrel. Little grass path. Leading off into the distance. This looks like a biking path or just a path for power lines. I've been cutting for Halloween because I want to be Spider-Man for Halloween. It's been going alright. My goals for the gym, I'm trying to cut down to maybe 180. No, I don't know about 180. 180 is a little extreme for before October 31st. But just cutting down as much as I can, getting as lean as I can before Halloween. That way I can be Spider-Man. It's mainly my goals for the gym. I usually bulk through the winter and cut in the spring, maintain most of the summer. Because summer, you're out with your friends. It's fun. Not much more to say about that. Perfect. Alright, actually, should we take the scenic route? Nah, we're spinning back around anyways. Autumn is such a beautiful time of the year because it's the season of change. And at my point in life, where I'm at, I'm going through so much change. I think everyone is. There's something going around where we're all changing. That's all the time. Everyone's always changing. I love the breeze. I can feel the breeze on my body. I should probably put my shirt back on. It's a little disrespectful to the trail. I don't know what else I have for the rest of the day. What time is it? 2:15? It's already lunch, dinner in between time-ish. And all I've had today was an apple and an energy drink. So I'm running on I'm running on E. I've sat down, I got my music ready. I'm starting on rock. So I'll see how far I get into this book. Hopefully I can read quite a bit. I'll check back in. Alright, that's enough reading for today. Let's keep going. Alright, I've officially found the path on my way home. I didn't even have to turn around. So, it's going good. I'll see y'all when I get home for real this time. Let's take one last look at everything. Ah. Whoa! Look at this beauty. Isn't that wonderful? Alright, I made it home, and now it's time to eat.